What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week I'm going to finish up the grinding of the Mustang Bedliner, and I did get a new tool. So I'll show you guys the tool and then I'll be grinding down the rest of the car. Maybe I'll get into painting today, but I think because of the rain there's going to be a bit of rust on the Mustang and I'm really worried about that. So I'll show you guys as I'm finding out myself. So let's get to it. Alright, so this is the new tool that I got. It's a DeWalt angle grinder, and I did open this up just to see if it was in the package. So this is one of the ones that is cordless, and I did have a battery from my other sander. Hopefully that'll be enough. It does say on the box that it does use these batteries, so I'm assuming that should be enough. With this grinder I did buy a bunch of different wheels. One's like a cement cutter or like a metal cutter. Then the one I'm going to be using today is a ceramic tip. This is what it looks like, and hopefully this is enough to get the rest of the bed liner off. Let's go uncover the car and see what condition the floor pan is in. First time setting it up, and I think it's working. Alright, let's go outside. The more in-depth view, it's only this side that looks pretty rusted. The other side I haven't gotten to, so I'm going to be using the angle grinder to grind down the rest of the car. But before that, I got a vacuum attachment that I'm going to brush off and get all the loose debris. So here we go. Make sure to always wear a mask when you're doing this kind of job, because you don't want all the debris flying in your nose. First thing I'm going to try is getting rid of this dust with the angle grinder. Whew. So that definitely works, but wow, that makes a huge dust cloud of rust. Alright, so I forgot to press record. What I was saying was, this is actually very strong, and if you look right here, it took away almost all of the paint that was on there. And then what's weird is there's like this tar-like substance. It's kind of on the wheel right now if you look at it really closely. I don't know what the person did with this car, but looks like it's my problem to fix. So here we go. I did try to use the angle grinder and I feel like it's a little too strong. I did grind off a little bit of the rust, but it seems like it's penetrating through the actual panel. So I might actually have to end up cutting this portion out and then placing a new panel. So, I think I might have to learn how to do some welding. But for now, I guess I'm just gonna get off most of this residue with my drill and then see what I can do from there. Whew. I did a lot of work off camera, and then I'll show you guys what I did. It does seem like I'm going to have to do a lot more grinding, and I'll show you guys the progress. From the look of it, it does look a lot like it's rusted over everywhere, but I think it's a lot of surface rust. Like this, I think I'm gonna be able to grind it out. So that part seems hollow and I might have to replace it. That part I haven't really touched yet, but most of the bed liner that got coated with the citrus strip is all gone now, and it seems like it's a lot more workable. I might just leave the bed liner on these portions, in the back, in the trunk, because it seems like it's way too much work for the back and the trunk. Once I get all of this to bare metal, I'm going to be painting it with primer and then enamel. After that, I'll probably do some sound deadening. While I am doing this on my Mustang, I don't have any shop experience or professional experience at all. So if I am doing things wrong, please let me know. I'm doing this for fun, and I wanted to show you guys the process of learning how to work on cars by yourself and being able to do this in your backyard. My next video, I might be working on the Evo. I'm probably going to be doing a coolant flush. After the coolant flush video, I probably will be doing the Mustang again, and I do want to get this done because I have so many mods for the Mustang. I really want to put everything in and then make the car drivable and something that's a joy to ride around in. So don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Later!